Let's begin revision. Class 7, Subject Science, Chapter 12, Motion and Time. In everyday life, we see some objects at rest and in motion. Measurement of time in ancient era. The time taken by the earth to complete one revolution of the sun was considered as 1 year. Instrument of time measurement. Ancient people made devices such as sundial, sun clock, water clock, etc. for measuring time. Simple pendulum. A simple pendulum consists of a small brass ball known as bob. Simple pendulum is an example of periodic or oscillatory motion. Term related to simple pendulum: length of the pendulum, means position of the bob, extreme position of the bob, oscillations of the pendulum, amplitudes of the pendulum, and the time period of the pendulum. Measurement of time in modern time. In ancient era, man used the events that occurred at regular interval to count the time interval. Today, technology helps us to know the accurate length of the day, month, or year. The units which are uniformly used by everywhere are called standard units. Examples: time taken by an athlete in a race is measured in seconds. Today, many clocks and watches do not have traditional hour, minute, or second hand. These clocks display time directly in digits. Such clocks are known as digital clock. Nowadays, electronic wrist watches are also available in market. These work on the different principle. These are quartz watches. Rest and motion. Motion is a part of daily life. An object is said to be in motion when it changes its position with respect to its surroundings. An object is said to be at rest when it does not change its position with respect to its surroundings. Speed. Speed of a moving object is defined as the distance covered by an object per unit time. Slow and fast motion. Other unit of speed. Unit of speed is written as kilometer per hour. Speedometer and odometer. Speedometer is an instrument mounted on a vehicle to show the speed of the vehicle while moving as shown. Odometer. Odometer is an instrument fitted on a vehicle which calculates and displays the distance traveled by the vehicle in kilometers. Uniform motion and non-uniform motion. As the car covered equal distance in equal interval of time, is it said to have a uniform speed and is said to be in uniform motion. On the other hand, if a body covered unequal distance is equal interval of time, the body is said to be in non-uniform motion. Distance time graph. A bar graph, a pie graph, a line graph. Choosing a scale for the graph. Determine the lower and upper limits of the data. Divide the range with the required numbers of divisions. The distance traveled by an object over a period of time can be plotted on the graph called a distance time graph. Calculating speed from the graph. Showing a genre on a graph. A steep slope on the graph means a higher speed. A flat parts of the graph means that the cyclist has stopped. Formula of speed is equal to distance by time. Thank